I'm glad you can make it. Welcome to Barrett Real Estate. Come on, let's go meet everybody. There's Hunter. Greeting everybody. He's our bouncer here. He makes sure he gets rid of all the riffraff. Let's go in here and let's sneak in on Leslie Gray, our onboarding manager. How's it going, Leslie? Now let's go see where all the magic happens, the broker's office. Look at this. Hey, Michelle Roden, think fast. Managing broker. And here's our designated broker, Michael Smith.
Welcome to Barrett Real Estate.
Come on, let's go check out the next office. Mike Marlowe, how are you doing? This is our Chief Development Officer, Michael Marlowe. Well, when we walk this way, I think we have a training session going on here with a relentless agent. Tor Bailey, you're in charge of training. Think fast. How's it going? Hey guys, you doing good?
Excellent.
All right, welcome. Hey, we have some agents here in our bullpen, and they're working on deals. They're getting things done, the magic of Barrett Real Estate. And hey, that's our office. Welcome.